People often hesitate before posting their first listing for one simple reason. They ask, which activity type should I choose? What if I pick the wrong one? Do I need to get this perfect? The answer is no. You are not being tested. You are not being judged. You are simply choosing the closest match to your intention. Activity types exist for one reason: to help you express what you care about more clearly so the right people can engage. That's all. If you know what you want to say, choosing the type becomes simple. If you want to state something that matters to you, use an ambition listing. If you have an idea but want help shaping it, use an idea listing. If something is broken and needs addressing, use a problem listing. If you feel frustrated and need to express it constructively, use a rant listing. If you have useful experience, insight, or learning to share, use an article listing. If you're unsure and want clarity, use a question listing. If you believe you have an answer or approach that could help others, use a solution listing. If you want to organize work around a goal, use a job listing. If you want to highlight somewhere meaningful, use a place listing. If you're promoting something happening, use an event listing. If you want to express a viewpoint thoughtfully, use an opinion listing. If you're willing to contribute your time or skills, use a help offer listing. If you want to open a conversation, use a discussion listing. If you want to teach something practical, use a tutorial listing. If you have news to share, use an announcement listing. If you need support with something real, use a help request listing. If you're advertising something, use an ad listing. If you're recommending something valuable, use a recommendation listing. And if you're just sharing something lighthearted, use a fun listing. You don't need to memorize these. You don't need to get it perfect. Just ask yourself one question. What am I actually trying to do here? Then choose the closest match. That's enough to begin. If you simply want to put information out into the world, just post the listing. If you want conversation and engagement, create an open group and add the group link to your listing so that any member can join in. If you want to work towards specific outcomes, use both open and closed groups. Open for visibility and contribution, closed for focus and delivery with a carefully selected team. You choose the level of structure. You choose the level of openness. You choose the people to help you. You choose the outcomes you're working toward. The system adapts to your intention, not the other way around. Because the power of this platform does not come from perfect categorization. It comes from honest participation. The system is designed to adapt to you, not the other way around. Over time, you'll naturally get a feel for how you like to use it. So will everyone else. There is no hierarchy here, no gatekeeper, no authority deciding what matters, only people, expressing clearly, finding each other, taking action. If something matters to you, there is a place for it here. Choose the activity type that feels right. Post it honestly, and let the collaboration emerge. That's how this works. That's how progress begins. That's ideas shared.